Okay, who is the opposite among us? Lion or hornet? Let's see. What pop out? The unboxing. Okay, time unboxing. Time to take this out. Oh. Okay, time to open this. Okay, I'll do it. Oh, I need to get a bit closer. Oh, I hear the fan. And instructions. I can just put that down there for now. There we go. So let's see. You can take that. Blah blah blah. That doesn't matter. So I take it. Mine now walks in that. It is a Quizzo going kit, so you can go to Quizzo's. A tornado kit, and maybe a tornado simulation, and a volcano kit. That we can open up. Can all these open up? No. So we go put these to the side, and on this one. Okay, time to just. Time to build building a mold kit for the volcano. Done. Now, time to pour this water into the bowl. Okay, I'm gonna pour this in to the water a little bit, and then more. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm mixing it. Let me just put this down to my gold drop. And now make this white liquid. Okay, time to mix it all good. Oh, it's so bulky. I'm making a potion. Potion mold. Okay, chunks inside. You'll be surprised how chunky this is, Mom. Okay, we done mixing it. We poured it into the cup. Now time to do the mold. Okay, if there ain't leaks, doesn't look like it. Get all of the sides. Oh, not getting in all the way. While this hardens, we are going to work on some other side of it. Okay, we go put the sea rock in first. Okay, we got the magical rock. Whoa. Okay, now this is the Quizzo glowing power. Oh, green. Do I just dump the entire thing in? It's satisfying. What's in? Taking quite a long time. Oh. Okay. Very long. Powder. Can't shake this faster. I'm making a potion. Big magical potion. Okay, it came with these watch. It fool's gold. Don't know that. walk. Walkie walk. What this? This is diamond. Crystals. Let me just take over that. Yeah, the probably over. Well, time to chip away into gold bar. Solid gold. And blue left, brush off. I'm gonna break up big hole. And your blue left, you can brush off. Gold. Oh. Now no gold. Gold ruin. But now I'm gonna have to keep digging till my way toward the gold bar. Keep digging. Oh, take it away. If I had a hammer right now, it would be a lot easier. Shouldn't have been gold be hard.
Should we pause this?
Okay, we made progress and I see gold. Good. Good. So, I'll chip it away. Almost there. So cool, I can feel it. Oh yeah, I should probably brush all of this blue away. Got it. See. Now, see what a tiny bot fan. Hey, Mom, and one more bot open. So you get one more crystal on this?
Maybe.
This is a big bot, so I go for it. Okay, we found the other one. Yeah, we'll break it open. That'll be hard. Oh, this can work. Oh yeah, this can work. Way better. Oh, no wonder it's called digging. Don't mean to use that. I can dig. Okay, keep digging. Keep digging. Wow, the bush is quite good. I'll save you gold. Get your money. Push all the way all this stuff. Go clean this off. Okay, we got them all out. The rest. Look at them. Get them all. Okay, we got them all out. The rest. Look at them. Look at them all. Yeah. It moved. Okay. Why is it moving so bad, bro? Come here. And are we supposed to make a tornado? Done. Did we just
All the
flip
way?
it?
Okay.
Oh, hold on. Let me just put it on. I think I just put it on. So I just put the tip up. This is very ass. Oh. Now I'm making a tornado.
Oh, hang on.
It is all down. Okay. Like now. See the tomato. In it goes.